entice, consume, contract, extend, repeat. No microscopic animal performs this cycle more beautifully than Collotheca. It's a cross between a ballet and an ambush. Mesmerizing to watch, impossible to look away. Fair warning, you're going to see a lot of algae cells be eaten in this one. But Collotheca does it with so much panache that you'll want seconds, thirds, and even fourths. For an organism that spends its life not moving around, I think you'll agree that it makes up for it in style. Enjoy this look at my favorite rotifer, Collotheca. In this series, we look closely at the most beautiful living things too small to see, or, in this case, beautiful but deadly. Check out the pinned comment to learn more about the subject of today's portrait, and join us for another portrait next week.